Hello, everybody. Welcome back from Thanksgiving break. I've been here waiting for you. It's been a long wait, but I'm glad you're back. Okay, and as November wraps up, and the semester with it, I should say, you've got some reading, not much. It's the last reading you're going to have in strategic thinking and complex problem solving. So you'll be saying goodbye to Chevalier after this week, although you may want to check back with something important he's given you in the way of advice. So that's what's up for the reading for the week. And also, as normal, there's a first discussion post Wednesday about visual support. And let me take you there to the Friday posting because it'll give all the details. And also, of course, there's a reading quiz. But let me pull up the actual discussion here. You can do all this on the calendar page while you nose around through what's going on this month and what we have in December. Although the home page allows me to give kind of an introduction to what we're doing that week and why. But here we go. Here's the discussion for the week. Wrong week, though. Let's come back down to, here we are. Visual support. Right, so there it is. Of course, do the reading first. And you'll want to do that because he's going to show you some types of statistics, graphs, other representations, charts of complicated issues presented visually. Now, let's say you choose to use a photograph. Well, that's a little different, but a lot of you in this class will want to use something statistical or something that has complex facts and details. So he's going to give you some advice on that, how to represent it. And beyond his advice, as you go into the Friday posting, I want you to go find something. A little hide and seek, hopefully not much hiding and a lot of seeking. If you go to Google and you type in your wicked problem in the search box, you'll probably get more results than you'll ever want to look at. So you're going to have to add and subtract search words depending on whether you get too many results or not enough. And then when you start to see results you can use, do not read them. Don't open those websites, but instead, one of the cool things about Google is if you just click on that other tab on the Google page for images. That's where the gold can be found for this discussion assignment. And pick one, link it to your discussion, explain why you chose it so your classmates will know. Come back here. And then there's a response, of course. And let's see if I can get it to stay there. Okay, cool. Then offer an alternative phrase. Help them out with search words from chapter 10, and they say, I say. That's not from Chevalier's book, but from They Say, I Say, and I'll add that note there so you don't get turned around, because meta commentary can come in handy with finding search words. Okay? And that's a big part of what's going on this week, but all of this is leading us to where we're going to be next week. Not this coming week, but as we get into December, which of course happens Friday, you've got a due date coming up. That's the final exam. but 2 days before that, your final project, your essay on selling a solution to your wicked problem, is due December 13th. So pretty much 2 weeks from this coming Wednesday. And I want you to get an early start on this, because one rule of college that I learned a long time ago was something always takes longer than I thought it would. So I don't want you to get caught up short as we wind up the semester in that second week of December. Okay? And as always, you can go to the chat room on the discussions page if you have a question about the assignment, or you can message me over here on the inbox page if you have a question about your own work particular to your situation. All right? Have a great week. Good to have you back.